Hi, this is Angie with Angela's Success Coaching. I am going to talk about my cancer experience today. This will be part one of who knows how many, but what I'm going to do today is go over that initial kind of oh shit moment that I experienced. I am a winemaker and had my own winery at the time and was in my winery working, and this strange feeling came over me. I had no idea what it was. It was a little bit out of body, a little bit, holy crap, what's going on? And I basically lost movement in the right side of my body. I had to sit down. Luckily, I had a couch there, so I sat down on the right side of the couch and started shaking. And it was not shaking. It was like I couldn't control my body shaking. It was crazy. Never experienced anything like it. What's really wild is I didn't have any symptoms coming up to it. I had no idea what was going on. Sure, I'd felt a little tired. Sure, I thought there might be something wrong with my thyroid, normal, almost 40 pains, whatever that is. But it wasn't until I had driven home and had another experience at 9:30 that night that I knew something was really wrong and that it was time to go to the ER because the tremors, which I later learned they were called, were starting again, and I knew it wasn't normal. So we went to St. Luke's ER, that is in downtown Boise. I felt so bad for the poor ER doctor. They ran a bunch of tests and eventually put me through the MRI machine. And when, I took my hand and he said, on your brain. And I was thinking, oh my gosh, how did I get a large? So it's like, the neurosurgeons started coming in. I think I saw two that night. My memory's not that great because I was sedated, so I wouldn't, not sedated, I had some sort of drug so I wouldn't keep seizing. And a seizure, by the way, is a terrifying experience. You lose control over everything. And then I did not have the benefit of passing out at that point, so I was fully aware of what was going on. Anyway, so that's beside the point. But from there, it's like, okay, I have a large mass on my brain. I have no idea what I'm doing. Luckily, I have a wonderful husband who is the love of my life and is also a nurse anesthetist. So he knew the severity of what was going on and has been my shining light throughout this process. But in that moment, it was just like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I have a winery. I have 3 little boys. I have an ex-husband who prepared me for cancer. So what do I do from here? I will tell you what I did in the next video. And if you want, visit my website at angelasheltree.com.